So here's the second technique. Now I have a 2XL t-shirt here, and this is a bit time consuming, but if you want a better accuracy, then this can also work. So what you do is you make sure both the seams are connected here. So this is one connection, and then you maintain this alignment, and you could even go as far as aligning the sleeves as well. So then you put it inside the heat press. Slowly align this t-shirt, and then when you know that these are aligned, it's in the middle, so there's a mark in the middle. So you press it a little bit, and now you have a mark in the middle that you could use to press. So what you do is you then hold the vinyl. This is, by the way, our design. So you put both the end parts together and then do a little squeeze to make sure you know what the middle part is, and then you have a mark here. And then if it's a 2XL t-shirt, I like to go 5 fingers so that it maintains a bit distance. And then I use 4 and 1 more. So I use 5 fingers, 4 and 1 more, and then I align this mark with the mark on the t-shirt, and the same pressure, same thing, everything same. Squeeze it. Now I slowly take off the t-shirt, and boom, we have a nice solid print here. See, it's nicely aligned in the middle. So I can wear this, and that's how you align a t-shirt.